So let's look. Oh, here's some photo boxes that are $3.99 each. These are nice to start organizing your photos that you've printed out. Some carts on sale, so if you need a cart. I do have this green one. It's kind of a mint color Lexington cart, and it's $40. Bins that are 12 by 12 bins that you can put your paper in. So they've got those for $4.99. Regular is $9.99. So I always like to get these too, and then they're great to label. I always get these because I always want to be able to see what I have. If you've got files or want to put scraps in and put them in colors, sort them by colors, you could do that in this Iris portable file box, $20. I do have one of these, this 16 case photo keeper. I do have this, and I've got photos that I sort in here. It's regularly $41.99 and only $20 now, so that's a good price. It's open baskets that have some cute designs. They don't have a lot of color, but they are at least neutral. And I've got a few of these in my craft room under my craft desk station. I have the clear drawers. I do not have them color coded, but you see that it's in rainbow order.